welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lunia, and today I'm here with a wash routine, detoxing my hair because I don't wash it often. So let's get it popping. In this bottle I have half water, and I'm gonna put half of apple cider vinegar. I do this to really get the dirt out my scalp and through my hair and get the oils, like really cleanse my hair like a pre-poo. Yeah, basically before I shampoo my hair I'm gonna do that. So okay, so I haven't washed my hair in a while. The last time, I don't even remember, but I don't wash my hair often. I really wash my hair like once a month. But when I do wash it, I really go in with my hair, literally. But really, I'm trying to really get rid of this color, you guys. So I'm gonna see if it comes out by the time I'm shampooing and stuff, but I don't know. You guys keep watching and see. By the way, you guys, I love using this shampoo because it smells so wonderful, and it leaves my hair the softest out of all the shampoos I tried. So I think I'm sticking to this. The pink wasn't permanent, but right now I'm really trying to take it out because I'm ready to dye my roots and retwist my hair next week. And this color is really tripping, y'all. Okay, so I did about 3 shampoos, three times, right? And I'm looking in the tub, I see the color coming out, but I'm looking at the camera and I still see pink in my hair. Like, what is going on? I done shampooed my hair about 3 times. I have somewhere to go and this pink is not coming off. I was really upset. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try another method to take it out, because there's another method I can do that. I don't want to keep shampooing my hair over and over. That's not really good for my hair. So I'm gonna record that, you guys, to see how it goes. Wish me luck. I know what I deserve. But you guys see how long your girl hair got? I know y'all see the locks hanging. They are hanging on my back. Well, they always did when in the beginning stage, when there wasn't really lock yet. But after that, it was always shrunk thin. Now it actually hangs on my back. So yeah, your girl got some length and some growth. Happy. guys believe I went a whole year without twisting my hair? I myself can't believe it. Because I used to think, oh yeah, I'm going to always keep my hair done so I could be cute. But then I got them and I'm like, yo, I still look cute like this. That's why I haven't been able to do my hair. Because I really like the poofy roots kind of look. It just gave it that bounce and that, y'all know what I mean, that volume. So your girl got cute and got ready. Like I said, I had somewhere to be, and my hair was not trying to. That pink was not trying to leave my hair. It just wouldn't hang in there. But so I'm going in with oil like always. I always oil my scalp. That's like the number one thing I always do. I literally take a bath in it. I'm so heavy-handed with products. When it comes to oil, it stayed dripping all over my neck, all over my face. I'm like, damn, I think I put too much. Nah, every time I put too much. I never learned. Look at it dripping all on my neck. So I received the free sample of this moisturizer for locks by Locs. Follow their Instagram, guys. Support black businesses. You feel me? I'm not getting paid for this, but this is my honest review. I would never put anything bad in my hair. First time I opened it, it smells like you can eat it. But you can't eat it, but it smells like you can eat it. It has that fruity candy smells, so your locks will smell so good. And it's very lightweight. It dries quick. I really apply it to my roots since I have a lot of loose hair around that area, just to keep my hair moisturized and soft and fresh. It's like to lock in the oils that I already applied in my roots. So you guys check them out. Follow them on Instagram. You can purchase this on Amazon. Support our people, guys. Support. So I love how this product is organic. That is a plus. It promotes healthy hair, promotes growth, damaged hair, repairs your damaged hair and locks, of course, but you know, the growth starts in our roots, so we need all the healthy ingredients in our roots. And I really love how it has no wax, no mineral oils, no dyes, no silicons, no sulfate. That's really good, you guys. It's also super lightweight. It leaves your hair shiny and super soft. Like, I've used it for like a week or so just to test it out, and I was really satisfied. So you guys check them out. Hey guys, don't mind me feeling myself, because when I do my hair and I get cute, this is me all the time in the mirror. But my hair feels so beautiful. Look at that bounce. It's freshly washed. It's not even fully dried yet. It's like damp right now. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing. I love you all. I love you all, my subbies. I love you. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, because we have a long journey ahead of us, you guys. And I am excited. I'm excited